Hello there, my name is Valerie White-Williams, and today I'm going to spill the beans about how much ad revenue I made last year in 2021. It even shocked me. So this is not my only channel. I'm going to be sharing the Splendor Studios channel, which is my very first channel, and that channel has over 85,000 subscribers and 19 million views. And so that's what I'm going to be sharing. I also have another channel, which is called Cosmic Splendor. I just got monetized there. This is my baby channel, and this is where I'm coaching you guys on how to get clients and get ad revenue from YouTube. It's worked for me, and I actually have training programs to help you do that too. So what I'm going to do is show you. Now, the interesting thing that's different about my Splendor Studios channel is I began as a vocal coach. Well, I still am a vocal coach, but I began giving vocal tutorials. And around 2019, I started doing reaction videos to singers and breaking things down. And that has proven to really grow my channel. It's easy for me because I'm a vocal coach and I've coached thousands of singers and I've adjudicated them, so I can just talk. And I enjoy it. I love it. And so that channel has really grown. I'm very close to 100,000, but because of what we call copyright claims, I don't get to monetize every video. And some of the videos that are extremely popular, I never get to monetize it, which is a surprise because when I saw how much money I made in 2021, I was blown away. Even with not being able to monetize everything, I still had a huge year. And that's why I coach people to do that, because only YouTube can give you evergreen content, gives you ad revenue, and you can get clients. So much better than social media that has to be this feed constantly. Works for me. I don't know if you could make what I made on Instagram. Well, maybe, but this is ad revenue, and that's popular videos continuously get views. That's the other thing. Social media doesn't do that. So I'm going to go into Loom and show you exactly. I'm not just going to say it. I'm going to show you on proof. I'm going to share what I have. I know it feels weird to talk about money. Like, ooh, this is a lot of money. It is a lot of money. Now, again, I don't get all the copyright. I don't get to use some other people claim it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Loom and I'm going to show you exactly how much money I made in 2021. Follow me there. All right, here it is. So you can find all these statistics in your YouTube studio. And like I said, guess what? Woohoo! This says $10,000. Yeah, but I got a little something like 9. I don't know why. Maybe it was gone into the next month. I don't know. But that is huge. So you see my Vocal Splendor channel had 4.8 million views. And, you know, my watch hours are there, huge, 329,000 subscribers, 20,000 subscribers. And those views were down a bit for whatever reason, but I made all that ad revenue, $10,000. How would you like to make $10,000 for ad revenue and bring clients to your business? It's a no-brainer. You just need to know what to do. And like I said, a lot of coaches don't understand YouTube. They think it's like social media. That's why I have a training program, which I'm going to talk about later. But there it is, 10,000. When I got my statement, it actually said 9,000, but hey, I'll take it. That's huge. I'm sure you would like to have 10,000 extra dollars making YouTube videos. Now, of course, I can't live on $10,000, so it's not like I'm a full-time YouTuber, but it's a nice taste to actually do what I love and share my video and my singing knowledge and getting clients. That's why I actually started my channel, because I wanted to let people know my expertise, what I can do for them, and then they will come to me. Yes, they will come to me. And so you just have to start. You have to be smart, meaning do the research. Don't assume that YouTube is like social media, because it isn't. It ain't. It's not like that. You have to learn. and study and be consistent. So yeah, I have a course. I can help you with that. I have my second channel monetized. So let me know. So follow me back. All right. Okay. See you there. All right. So I hope you finally see what YouTube can do for you. I mean, it shocked me when I saw this because I was late on my taxes. I took an extension and I was floored that I made that much money. And it's something I love to do. I love to talk about singing. I love to help people understand great artists and what they're doing and breaking things down. It's a win-win for me. And also, I get clients. I get people that watch my videos. They see that I understand how to coach. I mean, of course, the people I'm watching are celebrities and they're really great, but they get that I understand what they're doing. I can teach that. And so I get clients. I get clients and I get ad revenue. And I just don't know anywhere else what you can do with that. The only thing about YouTube is I think people find it overwhelming because it is. It is overwhelming. There's so many steps and pieces of the puzzle to grow a channel, which is why I have coaching programs. I am coaching people in a membership group, which is only $97 a month. And that's just super crazy. I should actually, it's worth double because that coaching program helps you. We have 2 coaching calls a month where you can ask questions, and I have a full course that goes along with it, and I coach you on everything from start to finish to know what to do to grow your YouTube channel. It's kind of a no-brainer. So if you want the results that I have, $9,000 in ad revenue and constant clients finding you, I don't know what to say. You can waste your time on the social media feed. And yeah, I post on social media, but who's king? YouTube. So if you're interested in coaching from me, and I actually take a hands-on approach. I have your phone number. I remind you of the coaching calls. I reach out to you. You can ask me coaching calls on our coaching window. If you're not available, you can send me a question. I will answer all of it because I want you guys to be successful. So yeah, and this channel, I don't upload as much because they're the money maker, but eventually I'm going to start doing more because I have such a passion to help business owners, entrepreneurs, teachers, coaches get their YouTubes going. And unfortunately, so many coaches really don't get it. Oh my gosh, it's embarrassing. It's really embarrassing because they don't get it. They think it's like social media and they don't understand it. They haven't studied it, but they do it anyway, and it's kind of embarrassing. So I want to help you guys, really. And I won't mock your channels. I'm just going to help you. So also I have a free group, which is called on Facebook, YouTube Success Strategies. You can go there, but I'm also going to add the link below for signing up for my membership because YouTube takes a long time to grow and you need to have steady progress, and it's kind of a long slog, but if you do it and you do all the right things, you're going to get monetized just like me. Because I created my second channel that took me 2 years and I was uploading to all my other things. Now that channel is monetized and I'm getting money. It's money, 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 money. Okay? So if you want that, follow the link that's going to be below because I can help you. All right. Talk to you next time. Bye.